Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I use my volumizing and my lengthening mascara. So before we jump into this video, I would like you guys to please subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys later. Bye. So guys, I am starting with the volumizing mascara. So what you need to do here is start from the root. Apply the mascara on the roots, then you work your way down to the tip. So the mascara that I'm using here is the Maybelline Mascara. Maybelline Mascara. This one is the Sensational Curvitude. Yeah. The Sensational Curvitude Mascara from Maybelline. Then as you can see here, I am adding more volume to the lashes. Then after that I am going to use the lengthening. Then just stay tuned so you see how I use the lengthening. Now you can see the volume already compared with both eyes. Then this is the lengthening mascara from Zaron. I am going to start from the root down to the bottom. But before you use the lengthening mascara, make sure you allow the first one you applied to dry a little bit before you add your lengthening mascara, so the mascara can actually stay at the bottom of the lashes. I don't know if you get me. Alright, so now I'm doing the same thing I did while I was applying the mascara on the bottom lashes. So first of all, what you need to do is apply the mascara, the volumizing mascara, on the root, then you work your way to the tip. It's easy, but all you need to do is just have patience. Then make sure you have a big mirror very close to you so you can see what you are doing. So now I'm working my way up. You can see the volume already. Make sure it gets to every strand. So what I did down, that's what I'm going to do on top. So first of all, you use your volumizing mascara to add volume to your lashes. Then for lengthening, you use a lengthening mascara to add length to your lashes. So this is what I'm going to do now. So I'm trying to pat the mascara on top, trying to build it. If you can, as you can see here, I am trying to build it on top. It takes time, but just have patience. I'm trying to build the mascara on top of the lashes just for the length. Yay. Just build it up. So that's it. So you can see the difference between the both eyes. The difference is so obvious. So now I'm going to do the same thing I did earlier on to this other eye, and that is it for the video, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.